Hello student, welcome to our geography class. From last video we starting the lesson number 11, transport and communication. In that video we complete the table, then some points, some factors to be considered for transportation. Now we are next point is read the map given in the figure 11.1 and figure 11.2. Here two figures 11.1 and 11.2 and answer the following question in your notebook. Here figure 11.1 state district major water bodies and landforms. Then figure 11.2 is Satara district major roads, railway and famous places. Figure 11.1 is Satara district major water bodies and landforms. Here we see the two diagrams 11.1 and 11.2, and here some question answer we solve with the help of these two maps. In which region do you find the dense network and transport route in the map? In which region do you find dense network of transport route in the map? You see here two maps. The central part of district has dense network transport routes. Here you see the central part of the district has dense network transfer routes. Then our second question is, how is the physiography of the region with dense network? The answer is the central part of district has lower and medium elevation as compared to the western part. You see here Satara district major water bodies and landforms. Then our third question is, which region has sparse network of transport routes? Here some symbols, national highway, other roads, railway, district headquarters, taluka headquarters. In first map also rivers, district headquarters, taluka headquarters, peak, lake and reservoir. With the help of this point, we complete the answer of these questions. Which region has the sparse network of the transport route? Transport network is sparse in the eastern part of district. Here you see eastern part of district. Next question is, how is the physiography of this region? The answer of this question is, the region with sparse network of transport routes is comparatively of lower and medium elevations. Next question number 5. You look for the region lacking transport routes. The western region lacks transport routes. What kind of obstruction can you find there? You find here what kind of obstructions? Complication. Obstruction means complication. Can you find there? Sahyadri mountains and Shivsagar reservoir of Koyna dam are the obstruction found here. Here complete the answer of this question. Next point is geographical explanation. When you study the maps of physical structure, main roads and railway of the Satara district, you will understand the following issue. The western part of Satara district is occupied. Occupied means catch by the Sahyadris and its offshoots, and the elevation is higher. Its topography means river, lake, hills in this way. Is undulating. Undulating means up downs condition. In this region lies the extensive Shivsagar reservoir of the Koyna dam. Central and eastern part of the district are comparatively of lower and medium elevations. Elevations means height. Considering the physiography of the Satara district, the transport network is sparse. Sparse means rare in the west, whereas the density of eastern side of medium comparatively. The central part of district has a dense transport network. You may have noticed that the national highway and the railway routes pass through this part of district. There are many road networks connecting the highway. You will realize that the physiography, that is hill, valleys, rivers, that is topography also, etc. of a region affect the transport route. There is a correlation between correlation. Transport routes and physiography of region. By studying the physiography of region, we understand its accessibility and remoteness. Transport facilities can develop well in the plains, while areas with higher relief have limits on the development of transport routes. In this way, complete here map 11.1 and 11.2. Next point is complete the importance of transportation.